You want to play that way?
Yeah.
Nope.
I don't care.
Because the arms are going to be going like this all over the place. I think once you flick all your things, you're out.
And then we count how many we have in and whoever has
Right,
the most.
at the very end, whoever has the most things. You ready?
Wait, no. I'm practicing. Okay.
It's not even halfway down, and just take your finger off. Right.
Aww, I was there.
Oh!
Oh. Jody, you're not supposed to grab.
You grab?
Huh?
You grab? You double dip?
Oh.
Well, I doubled up, but I only got one in.
Oh, Lane. It's very hard not to grab it.
Oh, I can't, yeah. I want to grab it. But I can't.
Yes. Can't grab.
No, you can't grab.
Oh, okay. I missed that
It's
rule.
the end of the game. How many you got left?